Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's dish is made of mashed tofu and boiled spinach. It's often eaten as a side dish in Japan. So it's called shirae. It's a really Japanese taste. So I made it for a friend of mine from Nepal once before, and then at the time she said, "Not bad, it's good," and then she ate at all. So hope you also like it. So okay, let's get started.
These are the ingredients for today. I use silken tofu as I prefer smoother texture. However, cotton tofu is also fine. And sometimes shredded carrot are added to improve food presentation. The first step is to remove the water from the silken tofu. So wrap the tofu in kitchen towel, place a plate on top to weight it down, and leave it in the fridge for 15 minutes to allow the water to drain. So if you haven't drained the tofu, the texture will become soggy and the flavor will be tasteless. This is why this step is essential. While the tofu is in the fridge, let's mix the seasonings. So there are 8 grams of sugar, and then 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, and then next 1 tablespoon of ground sesame seed, and then 3 grams of white miso, and then mix until there are no more lumps of miso. Okay, sauce is ready. And then next boil the spinach. So put the water in a pot and bring to the boil. So baby spinach is not generally available in Japanese supermarket. This size of spinach is the most common. So waiting for the water to boil, rinse the spinach in water. So boil the spinach for about 1 minute, then drain under cold water. Squeeze out the water and cut into pieces about 3 cm long. So drain the spinach and pat dry with a kitchen towel. The same applies to tofu, but the key is to squeeze out all the water. This will make it even more delicious. And then after 15 minutes, get the tofu out from the fridge and crumble it into the bowl. And then add the sauce and the spinach. Combine well and the shirae is ready. So I later learned that it's better to combine the tofu and the sauce first, and then add the spinach to get the flavors even more evenly distributed. Side dish shirae is ready. So let's try the taste.
じゃーん、できました。I will try the taste. So let's dig in. いただきます。優しい味する、やっぱり。
So the soft tofu and the crunchy spinach are a good balance. This dish really brings out the full flavor of the ingredients. Because in Japan, it's a lightly seasoned dish that is eaten as a palate cleaning side dish.
なんかタンパク質食べてますって感じかな。But either way, delicious. 美味しい美味しい。
But if you feel that the taste is bland, you can adjust the taste to your liking by adding seasonings.
ごちそうさまでした。美味しかった。It was tasty. So, okay, if you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, thank you for watching and see you by next video. Bye!